This woman here bury her baby. Lexi, let this woman grieve. None of our 876 roommate or manager don't know what that woman I feel right now. Because everyone was already saying RIP. I said RIP in my own comfort and my woman in front of my wife, and a couple other people was here. I felt really bad. You understand? Because she was so young and she's very talented and she's a pretty girl, and you know, our life come to a tragic end too soon. And I wish I could have, you know, do something life is a damn. I wish she didn't coma. I wish, you know what I mean? Because you don't know, so with you in a coma, you still have a possibility so the person is going to be right here, back with you again. So you know, say, yo, you know, Lexi, you in a coma, baby. Get well soon. Hurry up and come on. We're praying for you, you feel me? This, that, and the third. Well, that never happened, and God took his angel, and what we are going to do? We can't do nothing. He took him give me angel them and him take them back. I saw him stay. It's just like that. When it come on to this candlelight last night now, me realize say you have this GoFundMe in honor of Lexi. This is where the brother said the maga one, the little maga one where they dep on 876. 876 roommate, me can't diss you, you know, because I really, me not have no intention to come in for the show at all. That not interest me none at all. You see me I say? Because on the show for me was all bullshit. You feel me? I did all war. Y'all wasn't fucking professional. Y'all shit was really stupid. You feel me? I deal with. Y'all didn't thought that shit all the way through. You see me? Now, me see the little one. When you, Alfonso? Him you Alfonso. Alfonso say him did a manage Lexi. All of us, everybody manage them people, you know. I don't know what kind, you yourself need a manager. I don't know what kind of management you did that talk about. So the manager take up for himself, go up on the mic and I talk last night. And I say, wow, what Lexi did it, and there's a GoFundMe, and then the family say, them no know nothing about no GoFundMe, and the GoFundMe was solely off of them. Let me tell you something about blood clot Jamaican people. You see, who don't want to capitalize off of every blood clot thing. It could be one of the saddest moments them in a people's life. I want to try for blood clot capitalize, but I want to try to make money, try to make yourself blood clot relevant. Oh, you gonna have a GoFundMe without the knowledge of the parent or the family. Remember, say this child mother still living. She see her brother there. You say her brother friend kill her because her brother friend kill her. The brother never in the car, so him can't tell him friend how to drive. So, Alfonso, you is a little blood clot cloud chaser pussy. Remember that. You and the whole of them pussy wall they were there over blood clot. Because only a 876 roommate you should have blood clot rich. Why not put out GoFundMe in the name of the blood clot girl for her family and know about it? In pussy wall, you not rich. You not supposed to carry money go give woman then and say, yo, put this towards the funeral. You not go behind the woman back. Go put up blood clot GoFundMe. Oh, the GoFundMe for? You in an accident? You in an accident? They pick the woman, they pick the mother, they right here so see them here. Breathing. And she alone right now. But on a run, go and put up bumbo clot, go for me because you crave. Pussy, you not to blood clot crave, boy. You not even go sit down with the woman and say, yo, mommy, we know things tough. Make the wall we put out and go fund me. You not put it up behind the woman back. Then you not go announce it a blood clot candlelight. I found a pitney. I found a blood clot pitney. I found a pitney. Oh, now go behind the woman back and do that. And then we want to expect people to go, Wull on a high and talk about, yeah. I go down the one that the blood clot money the phone sell pussy Wull. You not too fucked up as humans. Oh, the woman, the Lexi mother living there. Family there. Who is Uno? Una who? Una 876 bumbo clot roommate who we just hear about last year. Una dirty blood clot people. I try to capitalize off of the blood clot girl death after the whole of the day at moon. No, we don't know about blood clot Ray because they wanna keep the people, the girl family in the dark. Wanna keep them in the dark for? If the girl have internal bleeding and everything broke up on her, how she talk to you, so Alfonso? Alfonso people with internal bleeding, me don't know if them fi just get up a talk so bad man. No recovery there, you know. Why? Who know that put up a blood clot GoFundMe behind the woman back? Why the people them we are feed them pitney, we are feed them family don't have any knowledge about this money? Eh? Because you not do this for no blood clot self. You not rich. Me not think so. You supposed to come up with $1 million go give you man. You no fuck up man. You don't feel like somebody don't feel good about that? Which mother go feel good about that? My daughter is gone. There's a GoFundMe out there without my knowledge. Do you think I'm going to be thrilled about that? Do you think I'm going to be thrilled, enthused? Oh yeah, oh yeah. How? When there was no blood clot, there was no agreement, there was no fucking meeting, there was no nothing. There wasn't a phone call to say, hey, we're gonna put up a GoFundMe for Lexi, and because you're, you know, the other friend is in the hospital, so here what we're going to do, we're going to put up a GoFundMe, and then we can probably start it off with like $1,000. We're going to put it to 6,000 US, and then we can see what other donations we get. You not think so that should be the call? Una go like a una Lexi blood clot mother and father. Una go like say a una birth blood clot Lexi. Una see Lexi for one look season now no fuck show. Una can go like so una have some kind of talk in our life. What kind of talk una have in our life? What kind? See the mother there? The woman a grave. But a young little baby, what she just lose. And on the day I try to capitalize and I try to be fucked up Jamaicans, bro. Pussy, I wanna take man for fool you. Eh? Wanna take man for fool? Wanna go so bomb? I wanna go out there, wanna not even go meet with the family. Wanna not go see what I go on. Wanna not go do the right thing, wanna do the wrong thing first. And then expects that the family is supposed to glad and happy. What the bomb buckler to now do per mic? This is a family thing. When a death happen in our family, family are run round. All out no come blood clot about who did a manage, who did a this, who did a direct, who did a rare. Suck on no mother dog. This a family thing now, bumbo hole. That past business, Lexi's not with us no more. She's not here. So what the fuck y'all manage? This is a family matter right now. Who the fuck are you? You need to step back. Step the fuck back. Step back. Because right now, if I go for me, if you put out the brother and the mother, them dead. You have to stop the fuckery boy, man. You see this little girl for you look a 2 months or you look a season. You don't know Lexi. You not go like you know her. You can't know her more than her parents. You not go around them people, the girl family. If you go do, you know who? You know nobody. You not go sit down in one blood clot corner. You not just a try relevant to in a blood clot 876 roommate. You not go sit down, you know. You not go sit down. Because you love capitalize off of everything. You not go sit down. No, me so wanna put up the whole of the video them wanna never put on YouTube with Lexi now in remembrance of Lexi. Wanna cloud chaser, dick riders, all I know. Dirty 876 roommate and a drunk crap. You see why on a blood clot show never successful? Because on a snake under the blood clot grass. Wolf in a sheep clothing, bumbo hole. What I know? When a drunk crap, the little girl can't even rest in peace. You know have her name all bout in a blood clot mouth. I talk about in remembrance of Lexi. In remembrance of who no man? You love blood clot cloud too much, bro. This girl is not on a family. Leave our family, let them grieve in peace. Leave our family, let them grieve. Who will help, will help. There's a lot of people out there going to help Lexi, and on a licky bumbo will know that. On a licky and blood clot know. Because on a know every vloggers have the people them will love them. And them are going to send 100 yes so, 200 there so. On go and sit down. On go sit down. And allow the woman make she grieve in peace. She just lose her baby. Lexi is our baby. Lexi is our baby. And look what you're doing. You're move like some fucking leech. Allow these people to grieve in peace. You don't lose anybody. None of you as 876 roommate and manager. You don't lose nobody. Lexi family lost somebody. Lexi fans lost somebody. You don't lose nobody. You don't stop trying to capitalize on this girl's death, bro. You feel me, I did? Yeah, man, on the leg of the girl shirt, man. She rest, make she rest. Make who go help to put her in peace, make she go in peace. You don't bother with this. No bother with this here. Because you don't like to take control of things you don't have no business taking control of. This is a family matter. This is a family matter. Go and sit down. If you not go attend the funny funeral, do that. Night, do that. If you are going to donate, do that. But go sit down and allow these people to grieve their family member in peace. You hear me? Because we don't lose nothing. When I meet Lexi last year, these people know Lexi all our life, our mother and our brother. We don't go sit down. We don't go and go sit down, man. Because right now, I make Lexi vex. Because I'm not trying to capitalize her for her girl. We're supposed to embrace her and praise her and look on her work, what she done. Make her viral. You hear what the so-called manager said? Because she did not make no money off her craft too tough. And you manage? Move your bum buckle out and go sit down. So what the fuck you did I manage? That is not Lexi boyfriend. You do a fuck Lexi I sitting to? What you really know about Lexi? Do we know that you know something about Lexi for real? Man, I want to let them people grieve in peace here, man, and go suck on no mother here, man. I want to make them people grieve in peace and go suck out on no mother, man. You see me? This woman here bury her baby, Lexian. Let this woman grieve. None of you 876 roommate or manager don't know what that woman feel right now. None of you never did that for ban on a belly, on a back now, on a side them. You go sit down. Remember that. Don't fuck around, man. This is the wrong time. Try another fucking time, but this is not the time. Wrong fucking time, this. This is a family fucking matter. And anything you do behind the family back, that means that you're doing it for yourself. Go and eat some shit. Rest up, Lexi. You still make me laugh. Because when I look at your ass clot, I still see you with a piece of cramp clot in your mouth. Rest easy, baby girl. I swear to God. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, Lexi. I want you to give me a joke. So, you know? Yeah, man, big up yourself, Lex. You see me? Like all the flag with your Swiss sleeve. BM's coming. Don't put the camera on me, man. Respect, Lexi, I want you. Your craft never ever forgotten. We have always remember you. You are hard to forget. You understand what I deal with? Humble soul, beautiful soul, and you're very funny. You're hilarious at that. You understand what I say? That me expect to see people I do. Give her flowers.